Ever wondered how some YouTube channels go from barely any views to millions in just a matter of days? It's not always about viral content or a stroke of luck. There's something else at play, and it's something I will be exposing today. Viewbots. They're not new, but they're way more common than you think. Creators are using them to inflate their view count, trick the algorithm, and get pushed straight into YouTube's top recommendation. But do they really work? How do I go about using them? And more importantly, is it worth the risk? In this video, I will not only show you exactly how to buy YouTube views and the exact website I use, but I'll also share my personal experience, what worked, what didn't, and what to watch out for. So watch till the end, because once you see how this works, you'll never settle for 0 views again. First of all, go to nazop.com from the link provided in the description or comments box. After arriving here, sign up with your Google account or log in with your email. I recommend signing up with your Google account. After creating an account, you'll see the Nazop dashboard. Now, let's go to YouTube, where I will show you the YouTube video I will be using. As you can see, it has only 9 views at the moment. Once that is done, let's head back to Nazop. Let me show you how to add funds on Nazop. Click on deposit. Nazop supports several payment options, including crypto, payer, perfect money, bank transfer, and cards. I personally chose crypto and $100, for example, and received a $9 bonus after completing your details and clicking pay. Here, funds will be added to your account immediately. After some funds has been deposited, click on the new order section. Scroll down a little. You'll find a section where options for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more are available. Click on YouTube. Now, if you look here, a variety of YouTube services will appear, such as YouTube views not guaranteed, YouTube views guaranteed, and targeted country views. I chose YouTube views guaranteed, which fits my budget and costs $3 for 1,000 views. The service description will appear in front of you, which includes estimated start time, average speed of 5,000 per day, quality reel, with a 30-day refill guarantee. Then below this, there will be some important notes that state: ensure your account is set to public before placing an order. Avoid changing your username while the order is ongoing, as it might interfere with the delivery process. Having more than one active order for the same link might cause delivery delays. So wait for your initial order to be completed before submitting another one for the same link. After confirming everything here, go to YouTube, copy the link of the video from here, then come back to Nazop and go to your link section, paste your link here. Then below, you will find amount wanted section, where you have to enter the amount, meaning how many views you want to buy. I will write 1,000 here. If you look at the cost, it is $3, which is affordable. After confirming everything, click on the purchase button and your order will be placed. Now, within a few minutes, views will start appearing on your YouTube video. If you look here, I have received 1,000 views on my YouTube video. The main benefit of these views is that it's going to help your video rank higher, appear on more search results, and gain algorithmic traction. Before we go, let me inform you that we are hosting a giveaway on the Social Growth channel, where you can win views for your YouTube video. If you want to participate, comment Social Growth and mention your username in the comment section of this video. Winners will receive their rewards in the next video. This was a short method on how to buy views for your YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you in the next one.